Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add app icon on desktop. This is a very simple process, and to do so, first of all open your laptop and log into your account. Now right click and refresh. Again right click and click on view, and now toggle on show desktop icons. Toggling this on will show all the app icons on desktop. Now in your taskbar, click on the Windows icon and search for any app you want in the home screen. Now after searching, click on Open File Location. After opening the file location, right click on the shortcut and click on Show More Options. Now click on Send to and click on Desktop Create Shortcut. And that's it. The app icon is now on your desktop. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.